This video is intended for audiences 21 and over. For educational and entertainment purposes only. Please follow all local laws.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Roots Run Deep. We're about to water Granddaddy Perp, and then we're gonna put blue cheese in there with it. So yeah, it's time for blue cheese at the flour. Granddaddy Perp's in there for 30 days so far. So we're gonna stagger. This is how we do the perpetual. Upgraded the light. As you can see, I got the Roots Run Deep stickers in. Check that out. Some of them will be going out on the mail list. Alright, check it out. So I measured my tent. I'm going to split it in half because I'm making 2 trellises, one for each plant. So once I get it, so it's going to be like 36 wide by 1.5 feet or so. I think one's going to be 16 inches and one's 13. Leave me a little space between them for more buzz. So we're going to measure out our pieces and cut them up. And then we're going to build this trellis net. Get my measurements, make my spaces evenly, and then I'm going to use pipe cleaners to try to use it as wire so I can take it apart a lot easier instead of having to just snip all my zip ties over and over again. But either way, I'm just trying to find a way to make it more convenient to take apart and put back together, so whenever I take one plant out and the other one stays in, blah blah blah. Anyways, you get the picture. It's kind of self-explanatory. I just want to show you how I did it. Some people was asking, so I'm going to show you. Yeah. Tape up the ends so it don't poke the tent. And there you go. That's how I did it. Simple enough. Also, want to talk to you a little bit about something. Got the new slaps in. Check them out. Hit the email in the description. I'll put you on the mailing list and send you some out if you want on board. That's what they look like. Boom, roots run deep. So yeah, I got a few put together. We're gonna send them out this week. And anybody else that wants one, hit up the email. Got you covered. Alright, cool. So that's all I got. Appreciate y'all watching. I love each and every single one of you. I thank you for showing me the love and showing interest in what I got going on. I appreciate y'all. I really do. I'll catch y'all next time. Stay rooted.